to my channel. Today we have a mystery box from Private Society, and that is what we're going to go over. And this look is part of a collab that I did with Candace Hampton. We did a Lisa Frank inspired makeup look. I just didn't feel like taking it off to record this video, plus you never waste good makeup. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the mystery box we got going on here. So I did open it to see what was in it because things that I have duplicates of, I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and see what is inside. Alright, first item we got here is this Metal and Matte 3-in-1 double-ended liquid lip. That is what that looks like. And so you know that this was their highlight mystery box where you're guaranteed a highlight palette, and it was $100 for $325 worth of product. So as far as I'm concerned, it's a good deal, good steal, totally worth the money. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at these colors. I threw away the box already, but anyways, let's look at them. We've got this red. This one right here is a liquid lip. And this one is a gloss, and I really like these because I often use liquid lips with glosses because I just don't like how drying liquid lips sometimes feels. But those are those two. I think those are really pretty. Next thing we have is a brow definer, which I have not tried any other brow definer products before. Super excited about that. And that is what this looks like. And that's the end. That is interesting because it is a triangle. So that I think will work perfectly for my hair color or my non-existing eyebrows. Alright, next we have a Pro Wing Liquid Eyeliner in brown. And I do have the black one, and I really do like the black one. So happy to add a brown to my collection. Here's the tip. And so you can see it's really precise. I like that it's a dark brown. So that's pretty. Okay, next we have Gloss Boss. So this is a gloss. Okay, this is a different color than what I have. I don't think I have a color in that shade from any brand right now, so that is exciting. Ooh, that's really pretty. This is like a kind of a corally color. I'll show you if I can get that. Very pretty. So, and this is a long-lasting lip liner in shade Mean Girl. Okay, so this is a nude color. See that right there? Which will look really pretty with that coral color. See it right there? Oh look, the sun came out. Okay. Next we got Lip Locks, which is a liquid lipstick. I love their packaging. The only thing I don't like is when you try to take it out of the box, the key gets stuck sometimes, but that's okay. But that is what that color looks like, and that is Bougie. So this is also kind of a corally color on the skin, and it actually really pairs nicely with the liquid lip or the gloss and lip liner, so that's really pretty. Okay, so we have another lip liner, and this one is in shade Rain. So let me pull that one out. And so this looks like another nude. Okay, so the first one was like a pink nude, and this is more of a beige nude. Okay, so this liquid lip here I have, and this is, yep, it doesn't make it obvious for me because I had to look for it. Nope, that's not the one. Here it is. This is the liquid lip, and this is in shade Karma, and this one I have, so this one I'm giving away. And that is what that looks like, and we're going to put that on my hand as well. And there it is, right there. Super pretty. Wipe that off, and moving on to something else. Okay, the next item is a stick foundation, and I can't wear this foundation. It says medium, but like I opened it up because sometimes shades that you would think work don't work, and so I pulled it out, and I'll show you this so that way you guys know. I haven't used it, not gonna use it because it's clearly not my color. And if you win this, you can always pass it along if it doesn't work for you. But see that? It's not gonna work for me. I can't even use that as a contour, the color's so off. So I'm passing this one along. This is going in the giveaway. Okay, so the next thing we have is this buildable foundation. Now this is also in the shade medium, but the color actually looks like it's gonna work for me. You see that? Let's put that on. This looks like it might actually be kind of a summer shade for me. It's a little off, but it'll work. Like, look at that. Let me blend that in. Nope, that's not gonna work. That is orange on my skin. Okay. So, let me find that box. If you win it, you can have the foundation too. So, just know that I just put a drop on my skin because I wanted to match it, and that's not gonna work. I am just a little too white for the medium. Alright, so I'm moving along. There is the Shine and Plump lip cover, which I have right here, and I do really like this, so you get that too. This one is my old one. And then there is right here the double-ended contour stick, and I have that too, and I'm going to show you that. And one end is like that. That is so white that like when I use this, it just matches my skin. It doesn't really show. But I do use this end right here because that does show on my skin. I'll show you. And there's the contour on my skin. So that one does work, does show, looks good. So that is that. Moving along. The next thing we have here is the Get Set face powder, and this is translucent, and I'm glad it's translucent because they sent me another one and I forgot what it was. I think it was light or something, and it didn't work for me. I was hopeful that it would, but it didn't. But this one I can tell you is gonna work for me, which I'm excited about because I really wanted to use the other, and it just didn't work. Okay, yep, this one works. See, there we go. I can use that one. All right, so moving on to the next item, and that is the Girl Boss palette. That's how it comes packaged. I'm really excited about this one because I was actually eyeing it before they sent me, and I have like 3 of their eyeshadow palettes already, and of course, you know, once you start a collection and you get really close, you kind of want them all, and it's totally happening for me. So anyways, this is how it comes on the inside. I will go ahead and swatch those, and I will probably do a first impressions video of this palette later, but for now we're just doing swatches. Okay, so those are the swatches. They swatched beautifully. And again, I'm sorry about the sun. It keeps coming and going, so the lighting's going to be a little off in this video, so apologize for that. But these are the swatches for that palette. They are very pretty. They really do a really good job with shimmer shades and stuff. The big thing that I really like about Private Society's eyeshadow is they are primer infused, so they really hold up really well. I do like these colors. The thing though, like, they don't have a lot of really bold extreme colors. Most of theirs are pretty neutral, everyday wear colors, smoky eyes, that kind of thing. But they really are beautiful colors and love them very much. So very happy about that. And the very last thing in the box is the Glow Getter palette. And I'm not opening this one because I have that, which I was really hoping I'd get the first one. I did not get the first one. I got the one I already have. So, but that is what the inside looks like. And I will swatch that. And I have been using this a while now, and I absolutely love this palette. It's so pretty. Okay, so that is what those shades look like on my skin. These shades are really intended for more of a warm skin tone or someone with darker skin than mine, but I wear them anyways because they do still look absolutely stunning on my skin. These are a little bit too shiny for contour, but you know, if you want like a slightly shimmery contour, you can get away with it. Just on the cheeks, I wouldn't do all over the face. But that is what the highlight palette looks like. So that is it of my mystery box. So for the giveaway, I will have a link below, and you just click on the link, follow the instructions. It'll tell you how to enter. You'll be able to enter multiple times. I'm going back to the link, guys, because you know, not everybody has all social media accounts, and I don't really want to exclude anyone. Would I like you to follow me on all platforms? Absolutely. But, you know, I get that not everybody has all platforms. So just follow the link, follow the instructions, and that's how you enter. And if you do have those other platforms, each one of those is an extra entry. So there you go. But for the giveaway for this video, let's go over the items that are going to be inside. You're going to get the stick foundation in shade medium. You'll get the liquid buildable foundation in medium. You'll get the double-ended contour stick, the Perfect Pout Shine and Plump lip cover, the liquid lip in shade Karma, and the palette Glow Getter 2, which looks like this. I'm just leaving them in the package for shipping purposes. But anyways, that is it. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item in this mystery box. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.